A very delightful morning to all my loving students. This is Alpna Shukla, and once again I welcome back to you all in science class. As we are revising our chapter life process, under this today we are going to learn about the respiration. Respiration, the process by which a living being utilizes the food to get energy, is called respiration. And respiration is an oxidation reaction in which carbohydrate is oxidized to produce energy. Mitochondria is the site of respiration, and the energy released by the food in the form of ATP, and ATP is stored in mitochondria and it released as per the need. There are some steps involved in that is breaking down of glucose into pyruvate. This is happened in the cytoplasm. Glucose molecules is broken down into the pyruvic acid, and glucose molecules is composed of 6 carbon atoms, while pyruvic acid is composed of 3 carbon atom. Fat of pyruvic acid. Further breaking down of pyruvic acid take place in the mitochondria, and the molecules formed depend on the type of respiration in a particular organism. Respiration is two type: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Respiration involves gases exchange take of oxygen from the atmosphere and release carbon dioxide by breathing. Breakdown of simple food in order to release energy inside the cell, that is cellular respiration. Type of respiration, there are two type of respiration: aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration, this respiration happen in the presence of oxygen. Pyruvic acid is converted into carbon dioxide. Energy is released and water molecule is also formed at the end of this process. Anaerobic respiration, this type of respiration happen in the absence of oxygen. Pyruvic acid is either converted into ethyl alcohol or lactic acid. Ethyl alcohol is usually formed in case of anaerobic respiration in microbes like yeast or bacteria. Lactic acid is formed in some microbes as well as in the muscle cell. In that, glucose, which is having 6 carbon molecules, converted into pyruvate, which has 3 molecules of carbon and energy. And pyruvate, that is happen in the yeast, lack of oxygen, and form ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide with the energy. But when it's happen in the humans or other organisms in the lacking of oxygen, it's form a lactic acid and energy. The equation for the above reaction can be written as the follow: glucose molecules in the presence of oxygen is break down and form a carbon dioxide, water and energy. So that's all for today. In next class we will learn about more the process of respiration, reactions, and how to exchange of gases take place. Thank you and have a nice day.